So now in this next episode, this is where things get a little bit more complicated because there are a couple of things you have to memorize. So there's something called the Rubik's Cube ABCs. And, you know, I've been taking each step and just practicing them over and over again. Like I would solve the white cross, mix it up again, solve the white cross again, mix it up, solve it again, and keep doing that until I'm comfortable. And then what I would do is solve these corners with the cross and then get rid of it, like mix it all up, and then do it again, mix it all up, do it again, mix it all up. Like that's how you can see progress, is you got to practice each step. So this next one is something that probably has to take the most practice. So it's called the Rubik's Cube ABCs. So the things you have to memorize is A is for away, B is for bottom, C is column come down, D is delicious sandwich, E means everything goes back up, and then F means fix your whites. So what that means, so what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna solve these two layers. They're all gonna match, these two. So what we wanna do is flip it upside down. Now we're on the yellow right here. And what we wanna do is, right, so it's like that, and we flip it like this. So this side is, we wanna find a side that's not yellow, right? So red and green, that's good. Blue and yellow, we can't want that because it's yellow. Orange and green, that's good. Yellow and red, that's not good because there's yellow in it. So let's look at orange and green, right? Let's make a orange tea, right? So we move it over and see we got orange like this, orange and then green. And we see that there's blue on this side and green on this side. And this is orange and green. Green is on this side. So we want to do A, away from green, away. Our key word, by the way, is right. So when we do away, we're going away. A for away from the right. B, bottom goes to the right. C, column goes down on the right. Right. D, delicious sandwich. Think of this as a sandwich. This is the bread, this is the bread, this is the meat inside. It goes to the right. F or E, everything goes back up on the right, and then fix your whites, F. So what we do is move this side, because this has the most stuff in it, go it up to the top. Then this guy, you want to move it out of the way so these two can go up, this guy comes back, and then you bring them back down again. So that's how you fix your whites. So that's a lot of steps. See, and then we solved this orange side here, right? A lot of steps, A, B, C, D, E, F, right? You got a couple things going on, but you just got to keep doing that. So red, we're going to move it to the red side like this, right? Green, there's blue on that side, there's green on this side. So our key word now is left, because green is from the left. So we go away from the left, bottom to the left, column goes down on the left, delicious sandwich to the left, everything goes back up on the left, and then fix your whites. See, this big one goes up, this one goes over. Get the two big ones up, bring this one back, and then bring them back down again. So now I fixed the green side and the orange side. And we want to do this until all of the sides are fixed. So now let's go back. Can't do this side, it has yellow on it. Can't do this side, it has yellow. And we can't do yellow because yellow's here, and we're trying to figure out these other colors, right? So that's why we don't really want to use yellow. So nope. All right, this one looks good. So we do away from the right, because that's where blue is. Bottom goes down, like that, like that, like that. I did it really fast because I did. All right, and then we want to move this like this. Blue is fixed, red is fixed, green is fixed, orange is fixed. So there might be a problem where if all of the yellow is, you know, there's yellow pieces on every single side. What do? So you just do the same steps, right? If there's yellow, like you just, like let's say I want to have this yellow one here, right? I would do the exact same steps. Right, I just messed it up, but see that green and yellow? It's right there. And I did that just for the video, but I mean, what I did, the ABCs are so you can get these pieces. You're trying to figure out this. This is why you do the ABCs. You want to figure out these. And you don't want to have yellow because yellow's on this side. So let's fix this, right? Green, which is right here, and then we're gonna move this part right here, and then that's why we do those ABCs, and then like that. It's all good.